Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your crypto portfolio with Coinbase step by step clearly. Start by creating your Coinbase account if you haven't already. Visit the Coinbase website or download the app from your device's app store. Click Get Started and enter your email address to sign up. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Complete the necessary identification procedures by providing your personal information. Once your account is verified, log in using your email and password. Fund your account by linking a bank account or credit card. Once your funds are available, navigate to the trade section of the platform. Familiarize yourself with the various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Consider setting a budget for how much you want to invest in your portfolio. Start by selecting a cryptocurrency you're interested in from the list. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and review the transaction details. Confirm your purchase and monitor the transaction progress. Diversify your portfolio by purchasing different cryptocurrencies over time. Consider using Coinbase educational features to learn more about specific coins. Keep an eye on market trends and news that may impact your investments. Regularly review your portfolio to assess performance. Adjust your investments based on your research and risk tolerance. Explore advanced features like recurring buys to automate your investment strategy. Utilize Coinbase staking options if you want to earn rewards on certain cryptocurrencies. Set realistic goals and timelines for your investment growth. Stay informed about security measures to protect your assets on the platform. Remember to regularly reassess your portfolio and make changes as necessary. With these steps, you can effectively scale your crypto portfolio using Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.